In today's video, we're going to cover how to connect your Meta Quest 3 to your PlayStation 5. If you've been wondering whether you can actually pair the two, the short answer is yes, but there are a couple of workarounds involved. It's not a direct native connection yet, but with these methods, you can enjoy your PS5 games inside your Quest 3. Let's break it down step by step. First up, there's a method that uses a capture card and a PC. This gives you a more immersive setup by using your computer as the middleman between your PS5 and the Quest 3. Here's what you'll need: a capture card, a PC, something like Steam VR or virtual desktop, and of course, your Quest 3 headset. Start by plugging the PS5's HDMI output into the capture card. Then connect the capture card's HDMI output to your TV or monitor. This way, you still get a screen to look at if you're not wearing the headset. Next, plug the capture card into your PC using USB. On your computer, launch Steam VR or virtual desktop and set it up to capture your PS5's video and audio feed. Then just connect your Meta Quest 3 to your PC using Wi-Fi or a USB cable. Launch the virtual desktop app or any similar app inside the headset and stream that feed from your computer. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to see and play your PS5 games directly inside your Quest 3. This setup is great if you want higher control over graphics and streaming quality, and it also lets you use your headset for other PC VR apps simultaneously. Now, if you don't want to use a PC, there's another method using PS Remote Play. It's a little easier and completely wireless. First, on your PS5, go into Settings, find the Remote Play option, and turn it on. On your Meta Quest 3, you'll need to sideload the PS Remote Play app. You can use SideQuest to install it. Once that's done, make sure both the PS5 and your headset are on the same Wi-Fi network. Launch the Remote Play app inside your Quest, follow the steps to link your PS5, and you should be ready to go. You'll now be able to play your PS5 games directly in your headset with no cables or extra gear. One quick heads up though, both of these methods can introduce a little input lag. So they're not ideal for super fast-paced competitive games, but for single-player adventures, chill sessions, or immersive RPGs, it's actually a really cool way to experience your PS5 in virtual reality. And the best part is, once it's set up, you can enjoy your favorite PS5 titles in a new exciting way without spending extra on specialized adapters. Happy connecting.